You are a
Yeah.
painter at heart. I think art was your first love, right?
Yeah.
So, what made you choose architecture over art?
So when I was a kid, I sketch a lot. I paint a lot. I think it's a God gifted one.
Right.
So then wherever I used to go, I used to travel. I go take a picture, get home, and then paint. Then I started going and painting at the site as well. Uh, so I was very good at colors or maybe at the proportions. So I did my non-medical without thinking I'm gonna be a architect. I wanted to be a doctor.
Oh, you wanted to be a
Yeah,
doctor?
till 10th.
Okay.
So till 10th, I always used to get, the doctor said from my diet, ki yes, I want to be a doctor. But in 10th, when I get to know ki I have to do the dissection for the rats and all, and plus one, plus two, I was like, no, this is not my cup of tea. So I entered into non-medical. I was good at painting, bagged many prizes from LKG
Right.
till 12th, and then thought to take some arts also. पर मुझे लगा कि मैं आर्ट्स लूँगी तो लोग समझेंगे, लोग ये नालायक है, इसने आर्ट्स ले ली. So this was one of the reason कि आई शुड गो फॉर नॉन मेडिकल. कर लेंगे, कुछ भी होगा देख लेंगे. जब नॉन मेडिकल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम एवरीथिंग क्लियर्ड, and there was I got selected in computer engineering, mechanical engineering. I was like, ये तो नहीं मेरे से होगा. Then the architecture was there, and I said architecture में करना क्या है, buildings ही तो बनानी है. So I used to sketch buildings a lot, कि कहीं गए, buildings किया, कुछ देखा. So it was very fascinating to me every time. So I took the architecture, not knowing the fact it is like the I think 24 into 7 I was working. It's like 24 into 7. मेरा submission होता था Friday. I have to give on Monday. Friday I used to come home and boards निकाला, sheets निकाले, submissions होना. So I used to sketch. Rotring pens होते थे.
Very nice.
So I used to get all the rotring colored pens, colors and everything. I used to bag the first prize in my designings. So there I opt for the architecture. So art was the basic core. Designing the building, I was good at designing by God grace. So there I opted for the architecture.
Looking back, you made the right decision.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
And art is still a very big part of your practice, right?
Yes, I do paintings. I generally sketch and something like, I think that's a basic core. I'm very good at colors. I'm very good at selections. So the proportions, one. और एक भी लाइन अगर 1 mm की थोड़ी सी इधर जाती है ना, तो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर कहेगा ना, मैम सीधी है, तो मैं उसको बोलूँगी भाई साल लगा, ये इतना तो फ़र्क है ये, और वो आता भी है. सो ऑफ कोर्स आर्ट जो मेरा एक बेसिक कोर रहा है, तो वो आर्किटेक्चर को मेरे को बहुत हेल्प करता है.
You got recognized by Forbes.
यस,
Uh, Congratulations on that.
थैंक यू.
Um, how was that when you received confirmation from their side that you were getting covered? Uh, what was the feeling? How was that experience?
Of course, when I got a call कि we've been uh, being invited at the Networkating news channel, and there we've been interviewed for the Forbes. So there was a discussion over there. So first of all, I was like, really? We got it, and of a proud moment for every one of us. That the clients who are working with us, the team of the ARC. But उसके पीछे भी ना, coming to the Forbes is one milestone, but how we have come, it's a lot of hard work. I think I work somewhere around 12 to 14 hours a day. Even my team goes about 6:37, some stays back. The challenges we face on the site, under the sun, under the rains. So when your work starts speaking for itself, a louder, I think the good platforms like the Forbes, the Hollywood Reporter, they recognize you.